Okay, I've got a quick video I'm going to make today, and all I'm going to talk about is just a quick, effective way to rip panels with hand tools. I do it this way all the time. So with that, we're going to just get started. Let's go. In frame? Okay, I've already squared off and straightened this edge right here. This is my reference edge. I need to rip this panel from 17 down to a 16 even. So the first thing I'm going to do, in this case, I'm going to use a panel gauge, but I'm going to take my panel gauge, and you could do this with a ruler or whatever, if you don't have one of these, and just mark it, and I'll mark both sides. And I'm going to mark it really quick here. Forgive me, I'm having to go in little sections because this wood is awfully rough. This thing is going to live in a place that's never going to get seen, so I'm using the best wood money can buy right here. Now the reason I'm marking both sides is after I cut it, I will take a plane and I'm going to pare it down to the line, and this just makes it easier. I can see exactly what I'm doing, and it'll get to be quite square even without having to check it with the tri-square. Now my little tip and trick for the day is instead of just leaving the line just like you have here. Okay, now my big tip and trick for the day is instead of just trying to follow that line, at least with me, I always tend to just cut through the line and I end up making my panel a little too small. I use a chalk line or a straight edge. I'm going to use a chalk line on this one because I don't have a piece of wood straight enough that's long enough to do this right at the moment. So I leave myself an 1/8 or a 3/16. And this is some awful wood, so I'm going to try to get a little closer to 3/16. Doesn't have to be perfect, just close. Snap yourself a line parallel to it, and I'm going to saw down the chalk line instead of that line, and then pare to the other one. Now, I'm just going to take my rip saw. This is mine. Do it however you want. Panel saw. You even use a skill saw. But I'm going to saw down the chalk line instead of the line that I drew with the panel saw. As you can see here, I've got this really rough cut, and I'm still out of breath, even after taking a break here to hoist this up. So I don't have to do my gym membership for another month. Now, I'm going to take, in this case, I'm going to use a wooden block plane to get it close, and then I'll come in with my jack plane to get it right down to the line. And I'm just going to plane it down to the line. It'll just take a minute. We'll film a little of that, and then we'll be done. So that's kind of my tip and trick for the day. Take a couple of light passes to get it nice and straight. And there you go. It's probably straighter than your table saw would get it.